Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to download offline personal SAP WebIDE. First step, we need to cross-verify the Java version. So go to CMD, enter Java version and press enter. You will get the Java version. Java version should be 1.8. If Java version is above that or below that, please uninstall and reinstall it. Go to CMD and Java hyphen version, press enter. You will get the Java version here. Okay. The second step is to download the offline personal SAP Web IDE. First step, you need to go to this link. Okay, and depends on the your system 6-bit 64 or 32. You need to download it. Okay. Once you download it, copy into Web IDE and paste into C or D folder. And right click on the downloaded zip file and choose extract here option. You will see an Eclipse folder. Inside you will find an Orion.exe file. Once you download it, I am copying it to C folder. Okay, right click and extract here option use. Once you extract it here, inside the Eclipse folder you will find Orion.exe file. Right click on Orion.exe and choose compatibility option as run this program as administrator. What you need to do is right click, properties, compatibility, and select this option, run this program as an administrator, apply, click on OK. Okay. Then double click on Orion.exe and pop-up says appears. You click on yes and do not close this Orion.exe window. Okay, and we have to go to browser and we need to use this option localhost your URL. Okay, what I'll do, I'll double click, it says yes, and you should get OSGI. Okay, and sometime it is what happens, this one, this window, CMD window closes automatically. The problem is sometimes this window like this port might be used in uh, some other this one applications. So what you need to do is there is one Orion.ini file inside the Eclipse file. Okay, go and change the port. Okay, if it is okay, then do not change. I changed here as 18081. Otherwise you keep it as 8080. Okay, now I'll go to this link. Mine is 8081 localhost. Create new account. I say tech, enter the password, click on enter your email ID, click on sign up. Thank you.